In this episode of FAQ with AGIQ, we're going to talk about some of the considerations between lighting type and vapor pressure deficit, or overall, how the temperature of your space versus your lighting choice matters. We talked about how LEDs have the potential to reduce your leaf surface temperature, or discharge lights increase it, requiring different room conditions. One of the biggest impacts on this for you as a grower, though, is it means a significant change to your space temperature and relative humidity if you want to be in the same part of the VPD curve, and you probably do. A flower room in discharge may have been at 75 degrees and 50% relative humidity. An LED lit room to achieve the same leaf temperature might be at 85 or 86 degrees and more like 65% relative humidity, again, to stay within that same part of the VPD curve. And that requires a broadly different approach to your HVAC. The dew point coming back to the machine, the total energy in air coming back to that machine is vastly different. Even more than that, though, you probably haven't changed your lights off temperature, because for the lights off condition, nothing has changed in that room. Obviously your lights aren't on, so LED versus discharge no longer matters. What that means is that you need an equipment or a piece of equipment that can accurately control your space at a high temperature, high enthalpy condition, 85 plus degrees and 60+% relative humidity, but that's also able to accurately control your space during the lights off condition as low as 65 degrees, 50% relative humidity, not uncommon. So the range in sensible heat ratio and the range in output capacity is much bigger than it's ever been. And when you're selecting your HVAC system and designing your HVAC system and building your ductwork for this facility, you need to ensure that the system you choose can accurately control at that very wide range of conditions, much different than you've ever had to before. If you have any questions about that, please get a hold of qualified mechanical engineer, MEP firm, design build contractor. We're happy to help out in any way we can as well.